All right, guys. So welcome back today. I got a good one for you. This is it's new to me, 1 ounce gold lunar year of the rabbit. This thing is stunning. It is excellent. It is quite the looker. Extremely happy with this. I know I was going to be holding off as far as buying my next gold, but I just could not resist holding back anymore. This thing has been calling my name for quite some time. Yeah, I think it is a very timeless design. I think it is exceptional. And I just had to add it to my collection of lunars. So my collection of the lunar series is slowly growing, and I'm not really trying to accelerate it any more than what it already is. But the tigers really, they had me shook. So I kind of fell in love with the beauty of them. They're just the hue and the glow of them. They're superb, and I highly recommend. Even in the 10th ounce, these are superb coins. You're not gonna go wrong buying these. They are very limited mintage numbers. They come in silver, they come in gold, and they even come in platinum. And whenever you're talking about Perth mint quality, guys, it's top notch. If it comes from Perth mint in a capsule, you can rest assured that it's going to be superb. These are high quality designs. They're some of the best in the world, if not the best in the world. Their limited mintage numbers adds true value that is not reflective of the spot price of gold and or silver. They just come and they just bring that fire. Now, there's a couple of important things that are coming up later this year. There's one that should be coming up here shortly, and that is going to be the new, I think it is the Phoenix. I have it in the silver version, but it has yet to be released in the 1 ounce gold version. That it may not be a home run hit. Okay, that one's not probably gonna be sought after like this dragon right here. It's kind of a meh design. You know what I mean? It's not like the one Phoenix coin from 2017. It doesn't have that same allure. But if you are going to collect this particular series right here, I think this might be a good series to keep going. I'm not going to go back in time and grab the others because they're just too expensive. But I'm trying to learn from my mistakes before, and I want to have stuff that is absolutely wonderful to collect. Now, would I lose selling this to an LCS? Yep. But I'm gonna. The second thing is going to be the. It's going to be the year of the dragon this year in 2024. Perth Mint, they release them every fall. And this one's going to be big, guys. I don't know what the design looks like yet, but there's a few things that always do well. You got things like this, the Queen Anne's Revenge, the pirate ship series. It does extremely well. Another series that always does well is the rabbits, right? Because the rabbits, the lunar year of the rabbit, it means prosperity, it means wealth. The other one is the dragon, and the other one is the tiger. The horses, they do pretty well too. But your dragon and your tigers, you want to load up on that one if you can. So I'm probably going to do the same thing I did last year. I'm going to buy the 1/4 ounce. I'm going to buy the 2 ounce. And I'm also going to buy the 2 ounce silver. It was just sheer stupidity probably on my part, or luck, dumb luck, if I should say, that I did it the way that I did it. But I will say this. If I could go back in time and buy this series from the jump, I would definitely redo that. It is that good and that well sought after. You're not going to go wrong with doing that. Now, most of us, we stack just bullion. And this is the way that I like to do it because it just adds that extra fire and that extra passion that you get whenever you're stacking, right? Because when these first come out, they're dirt cheap. They're cheaper than your Eagles. They're cheaper than your Buffaloes. 9 times out of 10, they're cheaper than your Britannias. They're cheaper than your Maples. And the quality that you get is unmatched. It's unmatched. So my advice to you is, if you can't afford gold, definitely start saving up, guys, because you're going to do well with this series. And I'm going to keep on keeping on because I do like the series and I do like them whenever they first come out. Now, I waited too long on this rabbit and I had to pay the piper on that one, but it's all good. It's in the stack. It's not going anywhere. This is something that I will never sell. It's just that important to me because I want to hold on to these long term. Now, whenever it comes to generics or something like that, absolutely, those are attached to spot. Those are the first things to leave. My collector stuff, I'm going to hold it forever. It's just, even if I got to pass it down to my kids, so be it. It's just that important to me. It adds that extra value that you just don't get whenever you're just regularly stacking your boring, plain junk silver, your generic silver, or your generic bars, right? It gives it that flavor. It gives it that pizzazz, and it adds true value that is not associated with the spot price of gold or silver, and you just can't beat it. I hope you guys learned something from me today. I appreciate you watching this video. This is my brand new camera. I'm trying it out. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, guys, keep grinding your stack.